dualities, rigid distinctions between, so black and a chicken may be duality, right? But they're not polarity. They might be in some context, a contrast. The whole objective of this is to explore the distinctions or the trichotomy between a paradox, ambiguity, and duality.
Viscosity.
Viscosity was what?
Think like thick shampoo you're trying to get out of a bottle.
Viscosity explores areas like rhythm, pitch, meter, and actually intonation, inflection, cadence, and tonal modulation. So what does phonological features have to do with manic episode? When bipolar goes into mania, right, their tonality change. One of the phenomenon in manic episodes